Hi there, my name's Dave Johnson. I'm a Master Certified e-business consultant, and what I've got for you today is absolutely free of charge, and I've got an extremely good bonus at the end of this video. I'll tell you where you can get that as well. So for all you affiliate marketers, I can tell you where to get 18 streams of income with just a few clicks. An absolutely fantastic offer. Like I say, there's nothing on this video that will cost you a penny or a dime. No PayPal, no credit card details required, okay? Just follow my lead on this, so I'll briefly explain what I'm talking about. So subscribe to my channel, folks, for my next free offering. Give me a like or give me a thumbs up. So these 18 streams of income, you can get them all unlocked free of charge with no hassle and no small print. Okay, folks? So what does every affiliate marketer need in the world? Traffic. Trusted, effective, targeted advertising. Now you can deliver just what they need and pocket all the sales and commissions. If you follow me on board with this, you can promote our advertising service and give hungry affiliate marketers exactly what they need, all from one trusted source. Absolutely fantastic. So if you sign up to our reseller at no cost and start earning commissions from advertising sales at our 18 high traffic websites and dozen of other unique website services, okay, web-based services should I say. So you can sign up and get started in just 1 minute, folks. So like I said, there's an extra bonus on top of this. If you sign up for this free 18 streams of income with just a few clicks, if you sign up for that, folks, I will give you an extra bonus, and it's our 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a website of your choice. No strings attached. You can have that free of charge with this offer. Okay, these visitors will be drip fed. They don't come all at once to your website. You can use it on a blog, you can use it on a YouTube channel, YouTube video, or any affiliate link you like. Okay, so you get traffic going constantly for around about a year, and we can do that free of charge. So to get the 18 streams of income and the 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a website of your choice with no credit card or no PayPal required, all you've got to do is click that link below this video, okay, and follow the steps, and I'll be waiting for you on the other side. Okay, folks, that's it from me. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I've got my next offer coming up shortly, so you will get notified for that. Click the link below to get these two awesome free offers, guys. Stay safe.